This one is coming along nicely.
Yeah, just a bit more on the bumper.
Okay, moving to the wheels now. Got it.
Got it. Ready for the strike. Now the door. There's a crease. I'm on it. This panel's ready for sanding. All right, I'll get these parts aligned. Look at that dust fly. Come on. Let's get this gear aligned. Right. Now for the bearings. Good. Now the main shaft. Almost there. Torque it down. I'll get the control arm. All right, bolting it in. Torque's good, looking solid. Torque it down, don't strip the threads. Good, caliper seated. All right, spin it up, let's see. Smooth rotation, no wobble.
All right, bolts are loose, ready to lift. Got it, on 3, 1, 2, 3. Easy does it, clear the door, set down, looks clean.
Dashboard set, ready for the seats. Got it, on 3. Easy, guide it in. Perfect, look at that leather.
Multimeter's reading steady, power's good, confirmed. Let's bring it online. Activating main power. Full power, all systems green.
Check the wiring here.
Got it, let's test it. Careful, sparks.
Connection's good.
Let's get the masking done. Right, I'll do the rear. Looking sharp, let's finish the prep. Polishing is done, ready for paint, wheels are perfect, let's spray.
Spraying now, watch the mist. Beautiful transformation.